Former National Security Advisor Colonel Dasuki in court for the ruling in an application alleging that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission is in contempt of the court following his rearrest by the Department of State Services after meeting his bail conditions at an FCT High Court. Justice Hussein Baba Yusuf dismissed the application for lack of merit, saying he could not grant the application since there is no evidence that the anti-graft agency is interfering with the accused person's bail. He held that the Department of State Services, which rearrested the former National Security Advisor, cannot be held in contempt because the bail order in the instant case does not cover the agency. He also ruled that since his rearrest was not carried out by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, which is a party in the case, he is not inclined to quash the charges against the accused person because the Commission has not committed any contempt in the instant case. Lawyers in the suit react to the ruling.
Court has said that we are on course, that certainly the trial can go on, that we are not in contempt of court proceedings.
We're going to reflect over it because EFCC is not stated as a complainant on the body of the charges. It is the federal government. And the federal government has all these agencies under it. It's like you have 5 children, and one is behaving well, the other one is not behaving well. You as the father, you have to be responsible for the conduct of all the children.
But the defense lawyer told the court that his client was not prepared for trial in the custody of the Department of State Services.
The court has given us an indication as to what we should do, and that is by way of challenging the act of the stranger. And like I did indicate in the courtroom, exactly we are going to do that because the description of a stranger suggests that that stranger is an interloper. It has no business in the matter before the court.
The coast ought to be clear for the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission to commence with the trial of the immediate past National Security Advisor, Colonel Dasuki, but there are indications that his team of lawyers might be approaching the appellate court seeking their intervention. But one thing is certain, Dasuki's lawyers say they will file a suit against the Department of State Services seeking for the enforcement of his fundamental rights to liberty. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.